Understanding the art of seed germination.
Hello there, gardening enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating process of seed germination. Germination is the journey of a seed transforming into a new plant, but it's not as simple as just planting a seed and watching it grow. There are certain critical factors that are essential for this process to be successful. In this video, we're going to learn about these key factors necessary for seed germination.
What is seed germination?
Seed germination is the process by which an organism grows from a seed. It involves the development of a seedling from a seed after it has been dormant for a period. The main parts of a seed are the embryo, which develops into the plant, the endosperm, which nourishes the embryo, and the seed coat, which protects the inner components. Germination begins when the seed absorbs water, causing the embryo to start growing and the seed coat to break open.
What are the critical factors for seed germination?
There are 4 major factors that influence the germination of seeds. These are water, temperature, light, and oxygen. Let's dive into each of these factors. Water is the initial trigger for the germination process. It activates the enzymes that begin to digest the stored food in the endosperm and convert it into energy for the emerging seedling. The uptake of water also causes the seed to swell and break its coating, a process called imbibition. Temperature plays a significant role in seed germination as different seeds have different temperature requirements. Some seeds need warmer temperatures, while others germinate in cooler conditions. However, most seeds germinate best between 15 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius, 59 degrees Fahrenheit to 86 degrees Fahrenheit. Light can influence seed germination. Some seeds require light to germinate, while others need darkness. This factor varies from species to species. Photoperiod and light quality can affect germination rates and should be considered when planting certain species. Oxygen is necessary for the seed's metabolic processes. It's used in the process of respiration, where the seed converts stored sugars into energy. Seeds in waterlogged or compacted soils may fail to germinate due to a lack of oxygen.
Why is understanding these factors important?
Understanding these factors is vital because it allows us to create the optimal conditions for our seeds to germinate. It helps us to successfully grow a variety of plants in different environments and conditions. By manipulating these factors, we can maximize germination rates and ensure the healthy growth of our plants. So there you have it, folks. Water, temperature, light, and oxygen, the fundamental quartet for successful seed germination. Remember, understanding these factors and adjusting your planting strategies accordingly can make a significant difference in the success of your gardening adventures. So, keep these factors in mind, and you'll be on your way to creating a vibrant and thriving garden. Happy gardening!